Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to get Spotify Premium for free. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for spotify.com. And then just go ahead and log in your account. And if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one by clicking the sign up button. Okay? So now once you've logged in your account, just go ahead and click on the upgrade button right here. So now you just need to scroll down and click on any button right here as long as it is the get started button. Okay. So now here as you can see, you have free for 1 month. Okay. So what you just need to do to get this free 1 month premium account on Spotify, you just need to go ahead and choose the mode of payment. But don't worry because you don't need to pay anything for 1 month, okay? So now let's just say you want to use your PayPal. So just go ahead and fill up this form, your street, town/city, your state, and zip code, okay? So once you've signed, put all of your informations right here, you just need to verify that it this is your account. Okay, so once you verified your account, you can now start using the free 1 month of premium account on Spotify. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.